Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font style in Microsoft Word. To begin, simply open any Word document. On the Home tab, find the font group. You'll see a tiny arrow, sometimes called a dialog box launcher, in the bottom right corner of this group. Clicking this arrow will open the font dialog box, which is where we will make our changes. Now that the font dialog box is open, you can select your preferred font. Browse through the font list and pick one that suits your needs, like Calibri or Arial. Next, choose a font style. Options include regular, italic, bold, or bold italic. Finally, set your desired font size, perhaps 12 points, which is a common choice for readability. Once you have made your selections for font, style, and size, look for the Set as Default button at the bottom of the dialog box. Click this button. A small confirmation window will then pop up, asking if you want to apply this change to just the current document or to all new documents. Make sure to select all documents based on the normal template to ensure your new default font is used universally. To finalize your changes, click OK in the confirmation dialog box. Then, click OK once more in the main font dialog box to close it. Now, the next time you open a brand new, blank document in Microsoft Word, it will automatically use your newly chosen default font, style, and size. This ensures consistency across all your future documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.